Ooh, a knife.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, guys. Hey.
What do we say? Bon voyage, Rob. Or however you say that in Japanese.
Sayonara?
Sayonara?
Yeah, good. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh.
How are you doing?
I'm documenting the night.
But I thought I asked Jason to do that.
Oh, yeah. Well, Jason asked me to do it, so I've been doing it. I've been doing it really well.
Well, are you going to take it seriously, though? Because it's really important.
No, of course. I've been taking it really, really seriously. Very seriously.
You promise?
Yeah. You want to do your testimonial now?
Okay.
Yeah, do it right now.
Okay.
Excuse me. Hey, Marlena. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hey, did you know that I'm going around the party and I'm video? You know Rob's leaving? Like, it's this going away party.
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, so we're taping people talking about it.
Oh, no, thank you. I barely even know Rob. I'm just coming to say hi to Lily, so it's a little weird if I'm even on it, I think.
Okay, cool. So I'm supposed to get everybody? So, have you ever been to a wedding?
Yeah.
A lot of times
No, I
at
get what
weddings-
you're doing. I don't want to do it, but thank you.
Okay, cool. We'll just do a short one real quick.
Hey, Rob. Marlena. I think we've met like probably 3 times before total, and every one of those times I was really drunk, so I don't really even know what to say. But you have a cool job. That's something. Like you're president of something.
Vice President.
Also really cool. So good luck with that. And we're gonna be here keeping New York really safe and fun for you when you come back.
Cool, that was a really good one.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can do another one if you want.
Do you actually have like a card or something? With my agency, we're going on this stupid retreat and they like all this video, like bonding.
Oh yeah, I'm not a professional.
What?
I'm not a professional. I'm HUD.
Hug?
No. HUD, I'm Rob and Lily's friend. We met like several times before.
Oh, yeah. You have the camera in front of your face. It's probably why I didn't.
Oh, okay, here. if I
Oh,
move
yeah,
it.
what's going on? Totally.
Yeah, cool. It's nice to see you again.
Really good to see you. Really good.
So, what have you been up to?
I'm gonna just go grab some food, but good luck with the...
I could still do your agency's retreat. If you... Hello? Wait a second, you guys. Hey! Lily, stop!
I'm sorry, it's really loud here. Can you speak up?
Lily!
What?
Rob got a whole vest.
Wait, Jason, wait!
Sir,
you're
pushing me.
Rob's got back on the pole! What?
Hey, yo, come on.
Rob's got back on the pole!
Okay, Beth, you're gonna have to calm down, okay? Where are you? What do you mean you can't move? What?
I can't see anything. Can you see it?
Jason!
Why did you stop?
Jason, watch out! Holy shit! Oh God, this is nasty. This is disgusting.
They're all running in the same direction. I feel like you're running away.
From what?
Hey, how much farther?
I don't know. Let's get out at the next station.
Yeah.
Ooh, did you guys hear that?
What is that?
Shh, just listen.
I don't see anything. Do you guys... Oh man, this is the worst.
Will you be quiet for 5 seconds?
Oh, turn on the night vision.
What? It's right here. I got it. It's right here. There.
Yeah? Yes, run. Okay, run. Actually, run. Hey, let's start running. Just run. Let's start running right now. Let's start running now. Run. Just run. You guys, hurry. Wait. Oh, God. Wait,
Okay. Beth, look at me.
I don't know what to say.
Just tell me who you are.
My name is Elizabeth McIntyre. I don't know why this is happening.